I want to introduce you to the MH4 LED headlight that comes with the LED Canadian headlight assembly. If you order the Canadian style headlight assembly for the 2017, this will come pre-wired in the assembly for the Canadian headlight. The Canadians have a low beam and high beam setup in their position that's in that vacant position on the inboard side of your normal headlights that are on the outside. Let's check this out. Now, this is my ground. I have one of my drone batteries here, which is 12 volts, and this is a ground connected there. So I'm going to put that on the green wire and avoid shorting anything together. I mean, it wouldn't be catastrophic with this, but it wouldn't be good. Okay, now, just to protect your eyes a little bit, I'm going to put this over so we don't destroy everything. And you'll see I'm going to do the low beam first. Okay, now I'm going to touch positive. This is positive, that's negative, 12 volts. And you're going to also hear the motor crank up. These lights have an actual fan in them. Now that's the low beam. And you can see it has a nice little spot. Look at the brightness. And now we're going to hook up the high beam. Look at there, much brighter. Okay. So that is the way you can check the LEDs out and see which wire and verify. And again, everything is right here. Always look at the package and see if there's some instructions about what you're doing. And I don't want to show you this, but if you kind of hold it off, you're going to see on low beam only 2 of these 4 sides are going to light up, and when you have the high beam on, all 4 of them light up. Well, I'm going to take you over and let you look at the plug that this goes into, and we'll check that out. There is my Canadian headlight, and there's my MH4 with 3-wire connection. This one is actually the same, but it's a 2-wire connection. This is your outside headlights, the factory standard Polaris Slingshot headlights. This is the Canadian style, and the Canadian style, as you see, has the high beam, low beam, and I have them hooked up backwards here because I didn't understand them in the beginning, and I just compared the two, as I said, and hooked them up the way the bright one was. You see the blue wire right here is going to the low beam side. That's yellow pink. This is the ground right here in the center. This is the factory Slingshot wiring, and this is the headlight side. The yellow here is your high beam. Well, if you see, when I switch to high beam, I'm actually going to have the low beam side of the headlight to light. If I want it in the correct position, I will have to take this plug loose, and I'm going to show you. And what I would have to do is take these pins out, and I have a procedure to show you that on one of my videos, LED upgrade, and then I just reverse these, take the white and put the pin over here. The blue one will go over here, the green will stay in the center. Then I will be in the correct position, and in the low beam setting, with my light set to low beam, then the low beam light will be lighting all the way around. And then when I go to high beam, the Canadian style headlights will go to high beam, and also the two centers will go to high beam.